Hey guys, it is crunchpunch here, and we are working on some new videos. We are going to be doing one, what the hell is it called? Animations called musical drug cartels. A couple of gaming videos, a couple of me and my friends being retarded, and maybe a tutorial in between. Man, we don't know. So, subscribe. Peace.